Let's read with Miss Iman.
Hello my friends, welcome back. أهلا طلاب الصف السابع. اليوم في هذا الفيديو رح نغطي قراءة الفقرات في وحدة اللانجويج بوستر. وحدة اللانجويج بوستر هي وحدة تعزيزية يعني بتعطينا فقرات ومعلومات إضافية. رح نقرأ اليوم الفقرة في page 32 and social studies. We have two paragraphs, this one and this one. Okay? فرح نقرأهم، نتدرب على القراءة ونشوف أهم المعاني الموجودة فيها. So let's start. Language Poster 1. Tourist Tips. Are you planning a city holiday? Then read our city travel tips, which are written by local people. You won't need a tour guide to find these special places. Why not send us a postcard of a secret place in the city? Hiba, 12, Amman, Jordan. Habib, sorry. If you visit Amman, you must stop at the amazing Roman theater. Roman Emperor Antonius Puis built the theater in around 150 Common Era, CE, Common Era. Around 5,000 people could visit it. Today, it is a famous tourist hotspot, and you can still see concerts and events there today. Matthias, 12, Buenos Aires, Argentina. One of my favorite places in my city is the Obelisco de Buenos Aires. Obelisco de Buenos Aires, which is a huge stone monument. It's important because our country's flag was flown here for the first time. People meet here to celebrate happy events like winning a football match. Lucy, 13, London, United Kingdom. My favorite place in my city is our clock tower, Big Ben. Big Ben is over 96 meters tall. So you feel tiny when you are standing at the bottom. You can climb the steep steps inside to get a gorgeous view of the city. You can climb the steep steps inside to get a gorgeous view of the city. Fatima, 12, Muscat, Oman. My favorite place in Muscat is the popular مطرح كورنيش. مطرح كورنيش. It's a long promenade that stretches about 3 kilometers. During the day, you can walk along and look at the ships, mosques, fountains, and beautiful buildings. At night, when it's dark, you can look at all the lights shimmering on the water. Think like a scientist. Social studies. How can we compare and contrast things? We read and write different types of texts, fiction and non-fiction, and we plan them in different ways. For example, when we plan a fiction story, we think about the characters, the beginning, the middle, and the ending. When we write a non-fiction text, such as a report, we plan the information that we want to include. You already know different ways of organizing information. For example, a Venn diagram, which shows how two things are the same in the middle, and in what ways they are different at the sides. A T-chart compares and contrasts two things using information about the same topics. For example, in social studies, we can compare two places. To do this, we write the names of the places that we want to compare at the top, on the left, and the right. We draw a line under the two names and a line down the middle. Then we think about each topic in turn and complete each side of the chart with information. Can you see why we call it a T-chart? Fatima's report about 2 mountain cities. Many people live in mountains with steep slopes and snow on their peaks. The Andes Mountains in South America have 2 of the highest cities in the world. The highest city is in Peru. It's 5,100 meters above the sea, and it's called La Rinconada. La Rinconada is also at the foot of a glacier called the Sleeping Beauty. Rinconada has rainy summers and dry winters with lots of snow. The roads can be dangerous because of rocks and ice. About 50,000 people live there. The second highest city is El Alto in Bolivia. It's 4,150 meters above the sea. El Alto means the high one because it's high up in the Andes. Like Rinconada, El Alto is cold even in warm months, and it has some very rainy seasons. It has a railway and lots of traffic. Nearly 1 million people live in El Alto.